Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speak English 100K channel. Today we are going to learn a shortcut. The subject is not new but the method is new and useful. What is it about? Tenses. Most of you say that there is 12 tenses and I cannot memorize them all. What should I do? Don't worry, all 12 tenses are not important and you can remember the important ones. Just watch this video till the end and then all your problems about tenses will be solved.
English has 12 tenses, but in real casual conversations, native English speakers mostly use 5.
And those 5 important tenses are: Number 1, simple past tense. Number 2, simple present tense. Number 3, present perfect tense. Number 4, present continuous tense. Number 5, simple future tense.
So stop stressing about using all the tenses when speaking. And here's what actually matters. To talk about daily routines, facts, habits, use the present simple, like I work in marketing or she lives in Canada.
You remember the formula for simple present tense, right? That was subject plus first form of the verb plus complement plus full stop. For example, Messi plays football. Messi is subject, play is first form of the verb and football is complement which completes the sentence. Or, she lives in Canada. She is subject, lives is first form of the verb and Canada completes the sentence.
To talk about things that already happened, use the past simple, like I went to the store yesterday, or we finished the project last week.
Formula for simple past tense. Subject plus second form of the verb plus complement plus full stop. For example, I went to market yesterday. I is subject, went is second form of go and market yesterday is complement. Or, he finished the project yesterday. He is subject, finished is second form of finish and project yesterday is complement.
To talk about things that are happening now or soon, use the present continuous, like I'm working on a report right now, or they're moving to Australia next month.
Formula. Subject plus helping verb plus first form of the verb plus ing. For example, I am working on a report right now. Or, they are moving to Australia next month. Find the subject and verbs in these two sentences.
To talk about past actions that connect to now, use the present perfect, like I've lived here for 3 years, or have you seen that movie?
Formula. Subject plus have or has plus third form of the verb plus full stop. For example, I have lived here for 3 years. Or, have you seen that movie? Find the subject and verbs in these two sentences.
And to talk about future plans, use the future simple, like I will cook chicken for dinner, or we're gonna discuss the next project.
Formula. Subject plus will plus first form of the verb plus full stop. For example, I will play football tomorrow. Or, which country will win the World Cup 2026?
These 5 tenses cover almost 90% of daily English. Master these first, get confident using them, then worry about the rest. Stop overcomplicating it. Now tell me which tense is hard for you to learn. Let's talk about that in the comments.
Thanks for watching. For more updates please like and subscribe the Speak English 100K channel.